All right, so after that long spiel, which I hope was helpful to you guys, let's get back to the work. For those of you that don't remember the last section, we designed a bunch of automated tests. We cleaned them up. We even wrote unit tests for our code to make sure that everything is working. And I just wanted to do a final little refactoring, which I saw as we were designing things that it wasn't right. And what I wanted to refactor was this line of code right here, which is not right. So the reason that it's not right is because we created this browser class to abstract out this driver for us so that we do not directly access browser.driver from within our browser class. In fact, we shouldn't be able to access the driver class from within any page at all. We should only be accessing it through the browser class. And the reason why that's so nice is because imagine if we have this page right here, right? And we have the browser that wait until element is displayed method. And this method is what utilizes our driver, right? So this method is what utilizes our driver inside of here. See that? And the driver is instantiated up here. So what if we needed to use a different driver? Or what if we didn't want to use Selenium WebDriver altogether? What if we wanted to use a different type of driver, right? Selenium may not be the best tool in the future. I mean, that's highly unlikely, but maybe there will come along a tool that becomes much more popular for whatever reason. And so during that time, we'll want to replace it. And if we replace it, we only have to replace that here, right? We can even still keep this static WebDriver. All we would have to do is create a new instance of whatever that driver is, and it will be of type different driver, whatever that driver is. It wouldn't be iWebDriver because that's from Selenium. So you guys see, all we would have to do is come here and switch it out, and our page would remain exactly the same because we really wouldn't be bound to anything in the Selenium WebDriver. One thing that I see here that we're bound to is using this by class, but we can also abstract that out later. But for now, I just wanted to clean this up so that it's more clear. So that just like here, where we have browser.wait until element is displayed, we can create our own method down here. So what I'm gonna do is here just write var edit profile browser, and now I'm going to create my own method, and I'm actually going to call it find element, and then we're going to pass all of this in just like that, and then I'm going to comment this out. Awesome. And so now, of course, the compiler complains that it doesn't know what the find element method is. So we're going to do control dot generate method inside of the browser class, which is awesome. So let's go here, F12 to over there. And so now this method is going to return an iWeb element. The by can be the by, and then find element, that's really easy to implement. WebDriver dot find element, and then we just pass in the by here, and we need to return something, so we're going to return this WebDriver.find element by this guy, right? We're passing in this by class, so you just have to pass it in here, and that will basically be it. So that's going to get returned here, and then we'll be able to click